Unlock 4.0 is underway. While the number of COVID-19 cases is increasing gradually, India is hopeful to develop a vaccine by early next year. With all these latest news coming up, I am Ansi Mathur, welcome you all with the top stories of the day. A recent study by the University of Cambridge says that Prime Minister Narendra Modi motivated India's billion-plus population to stay home during the nationwide lockdown despite high economic and social cost. Now, let us have a glance at some COVID-19 statistics across the country. India reports more than 96,424 fresh cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, making the total tally cross the 52 lakh mark. However, as per the data released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India's recovery rate continues to rise and now stands at 78.9%. Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka account for more than 50% of total cases recorded so far. Moving on, Section 144 of the CRPC has been imposed in Mumbai starting from midnight of September 17th in order to contain the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. Maharashtra Cabinet Minister for Minister of Tourism and Environment Aditya Thackeray said that there is no need to panic. The Mumbai police has issued a press statement and said, "The Mumbai police order is an extension of existing orders and all exemptions under the unlock which will be applicable in the Mumbai city up to 30th September will continue." Section 144 of the CRPC or the Code of Criminal Procedure prohibits gathering of 5 or more than 5 persons in one place. Moving on, Cabinet Minister for Food Processing Industries in the Government of India, Harsimrat Kaur Badal, has resigned officially from her post in protest against 3 farm bills. Representing the Shiromani Akali Dal party, she is opposing 3 farmer bills which were expected to be tabled in Lok Sabha in the coming few days. With immediate effect, President Ramnath Kovind has accepted her resignation and appointed Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar on her position. He is handling 2 portfolios as of now. Moving on. Now let us have a glance at some international news coming up. China continues to surprise the world with more outbreaks. You heard it right. In the latest news coming up, thousands of people are infected by a bacterial outbreak after a factory leak in China. The Health Ministry of China has confirmed that nearly 3,245 people have been infected by this outbreak. The disease is popularly known as the Malta fever. Common symptoms include headaches, muscle pain, fever and fatigue. Though this disease can be treated by antibiotics, there is no guarantee that this can be fully recovered from the illness. Moving on to some positive news of the day. An 18-year-old Delhi boy, Udit Singhal, has been named as the United Nations 2020 Class of Young Leaders for the Sustainable Development Goals or the SDGs. This is the highest recognition platform in the world for youngsters working towards realizing the SDGs. He has also founded a company named Glass to Sand that helped in turning glass waste into sand. With that, I come to the end of this bulletin. Stay tuned for more updates and keep watching Snoopbox.